The researcher chose to study the comparison of the different kinds of paint because people are familiar to paints, yet they are not familiar with its ingredients. While the researcher also wants to familiarize with the significance between the paints. The researcher chose to focus with the three most commonly known paints, which is the acrylic, textile, and poster paint. What can be the best remover to use on the three kinds of paint? What kind of paint is easier to dry? What kind of paint can last while soaking in a basin with water? These questions are the basis of the researcher. To be answered those questions, the researcher made various of experimentations. The researcher used color violet for acrylic paint, for poster paint orange, and for textile paint green. The researcher applied the three kinds of paints on a clean sheet of fabric, then waited until it dries. Then the researcher used water to remove the paints, but as you can see, it is still visible. Seems like nothing happened. You can see it on the second photo. But look at the third photo. The researcher used the thinner to remove the paints. Poster paint is the least visible among the three. The researcher decided to apply each type of paint on a piece of wax. Set your stopwatch and wait for the paints to dry. In this first experimentation, the researcher aims to know the time of drying of each paint. First is to apply each paint on a cup of Coca-Cola. Wait until it dries. On the left side of the photo, you can see the cups before the researcher soaked it on the basin with water, while on the right side of the photo, you can see the result, that the textile paint applied is not visible anymore. The essence of the study is to widen everyone's knowledge about paint. People knows what paints are, and people knows what paint is applicable in the surface where they need to put paint. Because of the study of the comparison of paints, people will learn the components of paints. People will learn that paints have differences. The study will help the community discover how paints are made. After waiting for all the paints applied to dry, the researcher began to find the answers to the questions. The first experimentation resulted that water is not a possible remover for paints, unless you will be going to make a solution.